the nation mourns Dharmender, Amitabh Bachchan stands at the center of that grief, remembering not a co-star but a giant whose presence shaped his own journey. The two legends, immortalized as Jai Veeru and Sholay, shared a bond that went far beyond the screen. As the film fraternity gathered to pay their last respects, Amitabh penned a heartful tribute remembering Dharmender for his largeness of heart and his simplicity, qualities he cherished throughout their decades-long friendship. The superstar wrote on his blog, he brought with him the earthiness of the village in Punjab he came from and remained true to its temperament, unsoiled through his glorious career in a fraternity that witnessed changes every decade. The fraternity underwent changes, not him. His smile, his charm, and his warmth extending to all that came in his vicinity, a rarity in the profession. Amitabh and Dharmender starred together in several films. They first appeared together in the 1974 film Dost. They instantly became a hit on-screen jodi with iconic films like Chupke Chupke and Sholay in 1975. They later collaborated on Ram Balram, Hum Kaun Hai, among many others. Apart from Big B, his wife Jaya Bachchan also shared a fond bond with Dharmender. Back in 2007, during an episode of Coffee with Karan, Jaya spoke about her first meeting with the actor and how his striking looks made her so shy that she hid behind a sofa. I love Dharmender. You know, when I saw him for the first time and I was introduced to him, I was so nervous, I didn't know what to do. There was this fantastic looking man. I still remember what he was wearing. White trousers and a white shirt. He looked like a Greek god. Jaya Bachchan's very first film Goody featured Dharmender in a special appearance as she played a schoolgirl who adored him. The two later shared the screen in Sholay and reunited decades later in Karan Johar's Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani. Years later on Kaun Banega Crorepati, when Amir Khan asked Amitabh Bachchan if he never felt jealous of Dharmender or any actor Jaya admired, Big B laughed and explained that he never felt bothered. Jaya had told him on day one that Dharmender was her favourite and in her eyes the most handsome man in the industry.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as a more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing. You guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.